Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add trust badges on your Shopify store. Now, this is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Like I said, before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. You can add different kind of trust budgets, including like payment budgets, for example. Now, I'm going to be showing you how you can do this in a few seconds. Now, first thing you guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Just log in into your Shopify dashboard. Now that's what I'm going to do right now. And now after guys you are on your Shopify dashboard, click on settings as you like at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. All right, now here what you guys need to do, you want to search here for trust badges. Now there are a lot of apps that can like help you add trust badges to your Shopify store, but most of them are paid. Okay, so you will have to pay for them each month in order to use these apps. Okay, so in like this one, it's called built, like this one is built for Shopify, but it only offers free plan, as you can see. But if you have like if you want to use like the full features of the app, you will have to use the premium plan, so that you will have to pay around $9 per month. Now the one I like to use and free, and it has all the features I want, okay, is this app. It's called Trust Badges Beer. As you can see, this app is completely free, as you can see, and a lot of people downloaded this app, and also it has a good review rate, as you can see here. Now you just need to click on you want to click on it, and then you want to click on install. And after guys you click on install, you just need to confirm. Okay, you just need to confirm the install as you click on install again, and then it will take you guys directly to the app website. As you can see, to the app, as you can see, it will take you directly to this page. Now what you guys need to do here, as you can see, welcome to Ultimate Trust Badges. Now you just need to click on enable. Okay, make sure you enable this. Click on enable. All right, now you want to scroll down a little bit, and then you can start customizing this. Now here, if you can also like hide this show header, like if you want to, like if you don't want to show this text, as you can see, you can just uncheck this, and it will remove it, as you can see. Now you can also check it. Okay, toggle this on, and then you can change the header text, for example, for like trust something like best seller. Okay, you can just add any text here as you want. Here you can also change the font. Now the one I like here is better, and you can element. Okay, I'm going to, you can change this, just the place of the text. I would like to put it here in the in the middle. Okay, and then you can also change the font size. You can make it bigger or smaller. I like to make it smaller. If it's big, like it will lose its job. Now here it takes hit text color. You can also change the text color, for example, to blue or whatever color you want. I just changed it now to blue, as you can see here. It's more trustworthy, like the blue color like screams like it's saying I am trustworthy compared to other colors. Now here it says sell more in test store. You just need to ignore it. You can also here change the budget style. Okay, you can put it or like change it to original, mono card. Here when it says here select budgets, you can also change any, you can add multiple budgets. Okay, here you can add for example this one, for example 60 days return policy, like something like that, like bestseller guaranteed. You can add them here for money back, as you can see. You can add any budgets you want. For example, scroll down, this one, for example 5 to 7 days shipping, as you can see here. Okay, so after you add the badges you want here, then you can just keep customizing this badge size. Desktop, you can make it smaller if you want. I always go with the small badges, as you can see. Here the custom margin, you can change it as you want. Animation, you can also change the animation. For example, fly, apply the animation and it will come like this. But if you change it, for example, to none, if you click on apply, it will just display without any animation. I like to use the pop. I'm going to click on apply animation. As you can see, it looks really cool, as you can see. And here the product page, as you can see, show bar on product page, bar placement. To display a bar in custom location, place following the code inside the template file. Now if you want to put this trust badges on somewhere, specifically on your product page, somewhere in the product page, you can just copy this code and put it there. Okay, you can go to your online store, click on edit code, and you want to paste this code. Anyway, click on save. Now that's exactly how you can add trust budget. Now go to your product page. I'm going to go to online store, and I'm going to click on one of these products. As you can see, we have successfully added trust badges to our Shopify store. Now I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, just let me know in the comments what questions you have. I reply to everyone. See you guys next video.